Hey guys, you're watching Shoaib Malik only on Gravity Flying India, and today we have this wooden drone. This is not a flying drone, but this is kind of a demonstration drone. You can keep at your office, desk, or at home. This is a demo model. You can see how pretty this is designed, and it's also having this Gravity Flying India drone batching here, then the drone GFI camera here. It's also having a gimbal, dummy gimbal, then the battery compartment here, and it's also having a 4 propeller, this 1 2 3 4, and having a 4 arm, the full drone frame. So you can buy this drone kit from us, from Gravity Flying India, and this will come in a form of a kit. You will get the wooden kit. You have to assemble all the parts, and by assembling at the end you will get this drone in your hand. So let's start making of this drone with the help of our kit. And for this we have 4 different sheets. Sheet number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can see we have all the parts here for the drone, and this is for the drone main parts. Then this here are the camera assembly parts. Here is the landing gear assembly. Then we have 4 different propeller here and the main drone frame. So we'll start assembling all the parts. We'll start from this camera assembly, then we'll go for this landing gear assembly, and at the last we'll assemble the main frame of the drone. Now here we have all the parts for the camera assembly. So let me start the camera assembly here. First of all, I have done this. Total I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circle I have pasted this 5 circle together. After pasting of this circle, let me keep aside here, and I'm starting right now with this and this. Take this two and insert like this. I have fixed this. I'm applying the glue over this like this, okay, and just behind this we have to paste this section. This is the side, and here we have to paste like this. This is the assembly on which this camera will be fitted on this, and this is the portion which will be going to fix inside the drone like this. After this we'll fix this circle here like this. This is actually the knob here. I have applied the glue, and this is done. Allow it to dry here. By the time we will prepare this assembly, we have total 1, 2 and 3 similar portion, this square, square and square. So one will paste in front, and second will paste in just back of this, and we will paste this together. So these 3 parts are joined together now, and here now we're going to fix this section inside this like this, and this we have to fix like this. Then we have to fit this camera assembly. We have to insert this section inside this. This is the section, and now this is going to be fitted inside this. So your camera will be ready, looks like this. So let me fix with the help of glue. So now this camera holding assembly is ready. Camera is mounted here over this plate, and this plate is mounted on this knob holding position. Then the back side of this. Okay. Now we have this circle, and total there are 8 circles. This, so 2 will go on this, 2 2 2 and 2. So we'll fix this now. So on this 8 corner we have pasted 2 2 2 here, total 8, and over, so that the gap will be like the gap, it will meet its gap here. Okay, so I'm just going to fix this slot inside this. So the small slot will go in the bottom, and this big slot will go in the top of this slot. So let me fix this. Now it's time to make this battery compartment box. I have to take this, insert in this. Make sure this is the open portion and this is the closed duct. This is the closed slot and this is the open slot. So, and this is open slot here in this compared to this. It doesn't have the slot here. It is having a slot here. So this open slot will be parallel to this open slot. I cannot say this, a perpendicular to this, so we have to insert like this. Okay, then we have to take this section. This is how we are going to make this box. This is the front section. This is the right wall. You can see the slots are there, right slot, and this is the left wall, and you can please check the slot of the left of this. So right, left, front and back. So this, now I'll insert this bottom one. This slot and this slot will be the parallel. Okay, this is done, and now this. Now it's time for the landing gear assembly. Now it's time for the main drone assembly. So we can see here is the main base frame, all small parts here. How we have to assemble all the parts. You can see all the parts are numbered. So how the number is, first of all, we start from this forearm. So you can see this arm and this arm are same, and this arm and this arm are same. So the number for we have this so many parts here for this arm, and these parts are for this arm, and the small 5 parts here and 5 parts here for this both arm. So how the number are marked on this, and how we have to insert this biggest one. This is the biggest one, you can see here, it's numbered as a 1. So number 1 will insert here, then number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here, then 9 here, and here the number are starting from the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 5 parts here, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 5 parts are for here. So let's start assembling as per the same number. It's time for this arm and this arm. So 5 will be here, then 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's start. Now you can see here total 4 arms are ready, and now it's time to add the cross section area for this and for this, and top and bottom. So we will start from this portion. We have installed this upper portion, and now it's time to install this upper portion in a longer arm like this. So both upper part is installed. Now it's time to install the cross section here in the bottom, this plus. So we will install one here and one here. So till now we have made these so many different parts. In this, first of all, we have this main drone frame. Second is this landing gear, and third is this camera mounting. This camera mounting assembly will fix in this battery mounting assembly. So now we have to do the fixing of all the parts together. This will first go at the bottom of this drone. Then we will fix this camera mounting assembly and this battery mounting assembly. Then we will close the front portion, and the final last step is to assemble this landing gear, and over that we'll be assembling this propeller. Bottom battery assembly is fixed now, and next step is to fix this camera assembly in this. So this slot will go in the bottom of this slot. So I'm inserting this, and this slot will fix the main frame slot. This camera mounting assembly is fully inserted in this battery mounting, and now I will lock this assembly by this front cover. And apply glue over this and allow it to dry. I have applied the glue and allowing it to dry. Then our next step will be this. This is the landing gear. We're going to fix this like this, and this one, and the second in the side. Two. So you can see our drone is ready with battery assembly and with camera mounting assembly. And this is the gimbal of the camera, this is the mounting plate of the camera, and this is the battery mounting. And just over this we'll fix this 4 propeller. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Over this we have this propeller lock here. This will fix on this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll apply a glue over it. Here, here, here and here. And here how the drone looks like. You can buy this drone kit from us online. And thank you for watching Gravity Flying India.